Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Got another unboxing, Revell's 144 scale Hawkeye airplane. Let's take a look. Here we got our decals. Our instructions on the airplane. Looks like a pretty simple build. There's the back page with different, where the decals and everything go. Not much to it, only two sprue trees. Their fuselage, our wheels, here's our glass, here's our wing assembly, the dish that goes on top, propellers, landing gear, and that is pretty much it for this kit. Not much to it at all. It would be a very quick build. That's for sure. It's so small for 1/44. And while we're here, I'll give you an update on the motorcycle. I've got the front end put together. Got the brake lines ran up to there. I just got to run the ones that go from here to the master cylinder. Got that. Here's the rest of the bike. Started getting the exhaust glued on. Got to run the brake lines from the back here to the master cylinder. And I've got to run the fuel lines from the carburetor to the gas tank. And then I've got to run the lines for the, up here for the brake. And for the clutch. But this will go together like that. And that's where we'll be once I get ready to put that on there. It'll look like that. Once I finish running them lines and attach the front end, I can get the gas tank put on, the seat, the rest of the exhaust. Go from there. Other than that, everybody have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. Here's the headlight assembly. I got that put together. Started on the gauges. I got to put decals in there yet. And run a line into the headlight to the battery. But other than that, you guys all have a great day.